Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Newton Coulomb laws. So now I will show you the answer. We need to apply about Newton Coulomb laws in here. So the formula in this situation, you got about T small t equals to Th, that's about the temperature of the surface, plus T0, this is about initial temperature, minus Th, multiplied with e to the power of negative kt. So this is the first step. The Mooncake is baking a cake at 1 p.m. She takes the cake out of the oven and finds it to be 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius is about T0 in here. It needs to cool down so that it may be iced. So Mooncake places the cake in the freezer and set to negative number 20 degrees Celsius. At 1:05 p.m., she checks the cake and finds it to be 70 degrees Celsius. So in this situation, we have negative number 20 degrees Celsius is about Th. This is about the temperature of the surface. So from 1 p.m. to 1:05 p.m., that's about 5 minutes. So that means the small t in here equal to 5 minutes. So we put t number 5 in here. Th, that's about the temperature of the surface. We put negative number 20 in here. And we have 100 minus negative number 20. And we have e to the power of negative 5k. We see that at 1:05 p.m. the temperature is about 70. So we will put number 70 go in here. Now we need to find the rate of this one. Negative number 20 we put on the left. You got about positive number 20. 100 minus negative number 20, you got about positive number 20. So in this situation, you will got about 90 equals to 120 e to the power of negative 5k. Next, we divide both sides with 120 and you will got about 3/4 equals to e to the power of negative 5k. Let's start that. We need to use about natural law for the both sides. So we got about ln of 3/4 and this one equals to negative 5k ln e. ln e you got about number 1, so I just write about negative 5k and we got about k equals to negative ln of 3/4 divided by 5. Now let's go back to the question. The question they ask, what time will the cake reach 10 degrees Celsius? So we have the k in here. We have this equation in here. So we put negative number 20 in here. We put the value 100 in here. And we have negative negative number 20. Okay, we put this number in here. So you got about positive ln 3/4 over 5. So the temperature, we just know that's about number 10, so we put number 10 in here. So we can find the value of T in here. This one we got about 120. Negative number 20 we put on the left, you got about 30. Divided to 120, you got about 1/4. Later that we use about natural law for the both sides. So we got about ln of 1/4. And we got about this one in here. Now we can find the value of T. So we got the final answer, and you got about 24.09424084. This is approximate about 24 minutes. That's the end. Thank you for watching.